Hello everyone, in today's video I will try to sort out some of this wiring here that we can see some wires are okayish, but others are simply cut, more cut wires. Yeah, we'll just clean it up. We have some weird looking tape here, more cut wires, so yeah. We will check everything, and I have also a new tape, so we will re-tape the entire wiring loom here. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what wires are what, and we will solder everything together as it was from the factory, and we will operate out any wires that were not supposed to be there. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. So here we have it. I have untaped this monstrosity, and someone before has retrofitted the smiley headlights on this car. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install back the original non-ellipsoid headlights. And basically, yeah, I had to find the wires, and it's fairly easy. So we have 2 wires here, and we have the 3 wires here. And now I have the headlight with me here. And as we can see, white and blue brown, white and blue brown, and then we have 3 here, yellow, blue, gray, white and brown, and we have the same thing here. So if we look, the original harness is yellow, blue, white, gray and brown. So that was easy. Other than that, this will be easy to install. I will not solder the connections just yet. I will rewrap the wire loom, and then I will do the final soldering of the plugs afterwards. Just because to make sure that I have enough cable length and all of that. We took off the first layer of tape. I will not be taking off the entire thing. I'll just wipe this down with some brake cleaner maybe to remove the residue glue. And now I'll be putting the new tape along the way as I peel off the old one. And the reason I'm doing this is just so it's a nice and clean look all over the place, all the way to those wires back there. And it's just to refresh this tape. It was torn on the other side in some places, and it just looks not that nice. And it's a satisfying job to do. I like to fiddle around with these wires. So let's go ahead and put some new tape here. A little bit about the tape, guys. So I'm using this Tessa brand tape, and what you can see is a comparison of two kinds. So the one on the right I used for the interior. It's designed for the interior cables. It's really good actually, and it's a really soft kind of material. On the left is the tape also from Tessa. So I'll link in the description to where I bought it and the code of the tape. But it's really durable, specifically designed for the engine base, watertight, and yeah, heat-resistant tape. It's not self-vulcanizing tape, if you're thinking, but it's really tacky, and yeah, this is what I'll be using. Quick little update, guys. So this is how it's turning out, the soldering, and I'm using the heat shrink with the glue inside. I have some here that I need to heat up. And yeah, I also installed this cap that basically covers the headlight connector. And yeah, I'll put the heat shrink and wrap down the entire wiring loom, and we'll continue with the rest. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. It's going well. Can see somebody has tried to repair this damage before. We'll do it right, I think. What I have done is I have bought this repair kit. I'll put the part numbers in the description, together with this connector, plug, whatever you want to call it, where these pigtails plug into. And then we will repair this now. So it's gonna be like new. Let's go ahead and do that now. There's some damage to some of the plugs here, some of the pigtails. Plug is missing, so what I have done is I have ordered a repair kit with the pigtails and the plug that's missing. In addition to that, also my expansion tank level sensor, coolant level sensor plug is completely gone. It's just two wires. And I have also bought the straight pigtail connector repair kit and the plug. I'll provide all the part numbers in the description. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue with the repairs here. It's going quite well, and I'm excited to be done with this. As I have managed to rewrap the entire thing here, this is how it turned out. Really satisfied with the result. As we can see, it's quite clean, and I tried to keep it as original as possible, so it's all nice and good. So let's go ahead now and try to reroute it with inside the car, and that will be the it, I think. The wiring loom is so far routed to the other side of the car, but we can see also some cables there. I think I need to wait a little bit with putting it into the final spot until I have the parts that are actually these cables are going to in place, and I think that will be much easier to route the entire thing and then put it in place. So that being said, let's go ahead and maybe start putting some of the other parts here, such as oil pressure sensor, and maybe we'll put on the exhaust, and then also maybe we'll put on the oil filter housing together with the oil cooler that sits down there. So let's go ahead and have a look what we can do in terms of slapping more parts onto this engine. So good. I'm really happy with this loom so far. And there you have it, guys. We have replaced all the gaskets, all the O-rings, a new plug and everything. We have replaced O-rings on the on the oil lines here. I have put everything back together. As you can see, I have also cleaned up and painted the pipes offline, off camera. Yeah, and have done the same with the oil cooler. Turned out really nice. So everything is in place. This is coming together really nicely. We have also installed the pressure switch. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys, and like and subscribe if you found it interesting or in any way good. And I'll see you next time with another one. Bye bye.